morning, children. This class we are going to discuss about the topic drainage. Last class previous class we have discussed about drainage. What is drainage? What is drainage basin? What are the different types of drainage basins? How these basins can be? What are the important drainage basins in India? So these drainage basins basically can be classified into two types, that is Himalayan rivers and perennial rivers, and their formation were discussed. Let us continue the same topic in this class.
This module includes introduction, drainage systems in India, the Himalayan rivers, the peninsular rivers, lakes, role of rivers in the economy, river pollution, and finally recapitulation.
So previous class we had discussed about introduction, drainage systems in India. Mainly the system here will be classified into Himalayan rivers and perennial rivers. And Himalayan rivers again here subdivided the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Whereas when you take these perennial rivers, that means Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada, Tapi and Mahanadi, with their formations and length were discussed. And coming, we will continue with the lakes, right?
A body of water is considered a lake when it is an inlet. Another part of an ocean is larger and deeper than a pond and is fed by a river. Natural lakes are generally found in the mountainous areas, drift zones, and areas with ongoing or recent glaciations. There are many lakes present in India which differ in size and other characteristics. These lakes are formed due to different natural and human activities. Some lakes are formed due to accumulation of rainwater. There are some lakes which originated due to the action of glaciers and ice sheets. Lakes are also formed by wind and river action, where a wide meander forms a stream or a river is cut off to form a lake. There are man-made lakes which are created by a flooded land behind a dam. Let us look at some different types of lakes in India and their uses. Let us know about the freshwater lakes. Most freshwater lakes are in the Himalayan region. These lakes are of glacial origin. These are formed when glaciers dug out a basin, which was later filled with snowmelt. The important lakes are Dal Lake, Bhimtal, Nainital, Barapani, and Loktak.
These are all the freshwater lakes. Bhimtal, Loktak, Nainital, they are the important lakes. What is meaning of lake? Lake is a hollow or basin. Lake is a hollow or basin where water has been accumulated. Simple way you can say. What is lake? Lake is nothing but as a hollow or basin where water has been accumulated. That what we can say lakes. So here the lakes can be classified into two types. The first one is freshwater lakes and second one is saltwater lakes. You see here the first water lakes, just now you have seen the slide. These are the examples. Loktak, Bhimtal, Nainital, these are all the examples of freshwater lakes.
Buller Lake in Jammu and Kashmir is a result of tectonic activity. It is the largest freshwater lake in India.
Of course, here you see the Buller Lake is one of the best examples of freshwater lakes, and it is the largest lake largest freshwater lakes in India. And this lake is activated due to the tectonic activities, due to tectonic movements. And it is the largest freshwater lakes in India, right?
Another type of lakes is oxbow lakes. It is a U-shaped water body. These lakes are formed when a wide meander from the main stream of a river is cut off to create a lake. Lagoons are also type of lake. Spits and bars form lagoons in the coastal areas. Important lagoons in India are Chilka Lake, which is the largest saltwater lake of India, Pulikat Lake, and Kollam Lake.
These are the lakes, or you can say lagoons. They are split into the main water bodies. Lagoons. That is two important lakes. That is, one is Kollam Lake and the second one is Pulikat Lake. This Kollam Lake which is situated in Andhra Pradesh, whereas Pulikat Lake is located in Orissa. But both are saltwater lakes. They are not freshwater. These Kollam as well as Pulikat are the saltwater lakes. We can say lagoons.
Lakes can also be man-made. These lakes are formed due to the damming of rivers. One such example is Guru Gobind Sagar Lake, formed due to Bhakra Nagar project. Let us now look at the importance of lakes. Maintain an even flow of water during dry season and floods. Used for developing hydropower. Moderate climate of surroundings. Maintain the aquatic ecosystem. Enhance the natural beauty. Develop ecotourism and provide recreation.
You are the merits of the lakes, importance of lakes. You can say that advantages of the lakes. They may ask you a question in the examination time. Write few advantages of lakes. Write few merits of the lakes. So here we see maintains the even flow of water during season and floods, used for developing hydroelectricity, moderate the climate of surroundings, maintain the aquatic ecosystem, enhance the natural beauty, and development of ecotourism and provide recreation. These are the main advantages of lakes.
Let us look at the role of rivers in the economy. Water is a basic natural resource. Riverbanks have attracted settlers from the ancient times. River water is essential for irrigation, navigation, hydropower generation, fishing, fresh water for drinking, cooking and bathing, and recreation. River, which is such an important resource, is getting polluted these days. The pollution is generally because of growing demand in domestic sector, municipal sector, industrial sector, agricultural sector, a heavy load of untreated sewage from all these mentioned sectors is also a menace.
All these sectors are dumped various waste materials in these rivers. That is how the rivers are polluted. You can see the slide here.
Due to the increasing river pollution, the government is taking several steps to conserve the river. One of the important measures taken by the government is the Ganga Action Plan. Ganga Action Plan Phase 1 was initiated in 1985 and closed on March 31st, 2000. The Ganga Action Plan envisaged interception, diverting and treating 882 million liters of water per day out of the 140 million liters water per day of wastewater. It was generated in 25 Class 1 towns in 3 states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Ganga Action Plan Phase 1 was a dedicated program launched to restore the river back to the bathing water quality. The Ganga Action Plan Phase 2 has been merged with the National River Conservation Plan. Phase 1 did not fully cover the pollution load of Ganga. So Ganga Action Plan Phase 2 was launched in the stages between 1993 and 1996. Rivers are such an important resource, but harnessing them is not an easy task. The concerned authorities are facing lots of issues regarding this. Let us look at some of the issues. Harnessing the Himalayan rivers is an issue of great concern in Nepal, India and Bangladesh. Flood control, drought prevention, hydroelectric power generation, job creation and environmental quality are the major issues. Traditional lifestyles and cultural continuities are also at stake. Large dam projects such as one on the Narmada River are also controversial. To utilize the river linking of rivers is proposed. In this, water can be transferred from the surplus basins to the deficit basins. Linking the major rivers may save life, property, and generate enormous prosperity. Take a look at the proposed plans of Himalayan interlinkage of rivers and Peninsula interlinking of rivers. Test yourself. Name the rivers of the Peninsula India that flow towards the Arabian Sea. The options are Krishna and Kaveri, Mahanadi and Mahi, Ganga and Yamuna, Narmada and Tapi.
And you see here, all the peninsular rivers. Peninsular rivers means impermeable rivers. The water which we cannot find throughout the year. Such rivers we call as impermeable rivers. I mean to say all the South Indian rivers such as Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapi and Kaveri. These are the impermeable rivers. Here you can see, here the peninsular India that flows towards the Arabian Sea. So in Arabian Sea, there are only 2 rivers which flows through the Gulf of Bombay and into the Arabian Sea. What are those 2? One is Narmada and second is Tapi. Let us see options. And here Krishna and Kaveri, Mahanadi and Mahi, Ganga, Yamuna and Narmada and Tapi. So right answer here D. Okay, Narmada and Tapi.
The answer is Narmada and Tapi. Narmada and Tapi are the only major rivers of the Peninsula India that flow or drain into the Arabian Sea. All the other rivers flow or drain into the Bay of Bengal.
A large natural water flows flowing in a channel to save a lake or another river is called a river. The entire area where river and its tributaries flow is known as a drainage basin. The drainage system of India are formed by 2 major groups, the Himalayan rivers and the peninsular rivers. The major Himalayan rivers are the Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. The major peninsular rivers are the Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Mahanadi, Krishna, and Kaveri. Rivers play an important role in the economy of India as they are used in almost all the sectors like agriculture, irrigation, transportation, and recreation.
So children, this is the topic drainage. We have discussed about what is drainage, what are drainage basin, what are the important drainage basins, and how these systems can be classified: the Himalayan river system and the peninsular river systems, with examples, and followed by lakes. What is lake? What are the different types of lakes, and the role of economy of these rivers, etc. Right? Is it clear? Thank you.